I'm Nick. Prior to joining the LIFT program, I was in the corporate world, worked a 9-to-5 role, and at a certain point I thought I would like to have a different way of earning money so I could have my own choosing a lifestyle that I craft to suit what I like to do with my time. Prior to this joining the program, I had no experience in investing or in trading. I was looking for a program at that time what I thought would be an easy to learn technical method and something that was accessible to me. I found the program, whilst it had a great technical component, there also was a lot of time and material spent on providing support around the mindset around trading and how to overcome the challenges that people face. I found there's a lot of time spent on not just support structures but workshop, coaching, that was all about focusing on the mindset and traps that you could have while you fall into trading. My journey within the LIFT program took a slow start. I spent a lot of time learning the method, trying to get my head across trading and all the normal pitfalls. And during this time there was a number of workshops which I had the opportunity to attend, coaching calls with Ron, the head coach, as well as a live trading which I found so helpful, sessions where we would actually look at the charts and watch Ron taking trades. I'm at the point where I'm a step 4 trader, but I'm actively engaged in the program. There's always new things to learn, and I view myself as constantly learning. There's regular sessions which I still attend as much as I can. I would recommend this program to anybody who's thinking of finding a different way of earning income. The program has a great community that's very supportive. Everybody seems to go down a similar path with similar challenges, and there's a lot of support structures that help traders move from various steps to ultimately get into the point where they could very competently trade and craft an income. I think it's a great way for somebody with no or little experience in trading to learn how to trade well. Highly recommend it to anyone.